So it's Black Friday, and if you're like me or most people, they're running around trying to find all of the best deals online and offline. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a day that many of you have been waiting for because we've gone ahead and opened the doors to the university. So this is live now. There will be a link on the page somewhere. Click that link, go over. We've got this open for a limited time. It's open for 3 days. Now the caveat to that is, although it's open for 3 days, it's limited to 100 people. So once we get 100 people, the doors will shut, whether that's on day one, day two, etc. Okay, and we're offering 60% discount to the normal price. Now, this is what it currently looks like inside of the university. And over the past couple of weeks, we've had lots of questions about this. What can you expect from this? How does it work, etc. Well, essentially, the university will teach you step by step how to make money online and from home using your knowledge, your skills, your experience, your hobbies, and even your interests. Okay. So you get a huge training platform inside of here. It also comes with, you can see here, join here. Let me move this down for you. It comes with a private Facebook community. I'll show you that really quickly. So this is what it looks like inside of the university. You can see this is where you can ask questions. I will answer any questions you've got about any topic on here. There's other people in here sharing their knowledge, their results, people getting started with this. And you can see on here, so this was a couple of days ago. This was Aid. He started a method in here and he's already making money. And again, there's lots of stuff inside of here. This is the private Facebook group, okay? So what is inside of the university is the important question. So first of all, we cover things like this. So building multiple streams of income, because we don't just share with you one method, we'll show you how to set up a method. And once you've got that method making money, we'll then share with you how to expand or scale that method up. And inside of these different categories down here, you'll also find lots of resources. So you can see on here, we've got workbooks, idea banks, assessments, fact, etc., checklists, and lots more. So we've got a number of these workshops: how to pick a niche, full category on this because people get stuck with this. We cover mindset, and then we dive into all of the good things. So you will be pleased to know, okay, the university is not something that is taught by gurus. We're all practitioners. As you know, I am a practitioner. So I am a practitioner in affiliate marketing, on YouTube, in TikTok. I have an online agency, etc. So inside of each one of these categories, you can see here, the affiliate marketing category, pretty stacked with the amount of content inside of here, but we cover everything for you. So how to get started, why affiliate marketing, picking a niche, going through this, etc. Okay, we've got affiliate funnels and lots more. Okay, and this is the same in any category. So affiliate marketing, see YouTube, huge section inside of here on YouTube. We've got TikTok, starting an online agency, creating printables online, and lots more. Amazon, we've got a newsletter in here. So the newsletter comes out every single month. So big issue. You can download this as a PDF. We also offer this as a flip book to our members as well. So every month you go ahead and get a brand new university newsletter. Normally they're about 40 pages long, and this is some of the content that you can expect inside of these newsletters. We have case studies, we have step-by-step guides, we've got interviews on here, and more. And this is what it looks like inside of the newsletters. So it's not a little bit of fluff in here. It's a lot of actionable stuff. And then obviously we've got an interview series every single month and lots more going on in here. So that there is the newsletter. You can see this one here is 42 pages, and you'll get all of the previous ones as well. So you can go through all of the previous ones on here. So we've got all of these sections down here. And then we also have the case studies and workshop. And this has been probably the one that's had the most interest inside of the university, is the case studies and workshop category. So you can see all of the previous case studies we've done. Now, inside of these case studies or these workshops, we literally show you a method from scratch and we update as we go through. So this one over here, the TikTok shop affiliate case study, we've just finished this one. A little spoiler on it. So starting from 0, I'll go right down to the bottom here and I'll show you this. So by day 28 in this case study, starting completely from scratch, we earn over £1,000. That's UK pricing. So in American dollars, we earn $1,268 in this case study from scratch. Okay, and again, inside of here, every single thing we did, this one, we did it every single day, day to day, what we did, what was doing, what we wasn't doing, etc. Okay, so that's just one of the case studies inside of here. We've got this one over here with automated affiliate websites. As you can see, this one is still ongoing. So this one here, again, show you everything. This case study here so far, that took us to day 15 to actually earn some money starting from scratch. And all of our case studies, by the way, we mix them up, so none of them are the same as the previous one. So we've just finished the tick one. We've got the automated affiliate websites, which is ongoing. We had an Instagram theme page workshop, so how to set up an Instagram theme page, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. You can see, like this recording here was an hour long. That was on day 2. This was day 1, 41 minutes. You get resources, niches, and we also give you homework. So we're prompting you to go ahead and, actually take action with these different methods that we're sharing inside of here. So that was another recent one. We also did Clapper. So what we're doing, the tools that we're going to use for the case study, the offer, and again, you can see numbers. Day 9, that took us to day 9 to earn our first sale from a completely new method. And there's a lot, like I said, you can go through all, we'd be here all day if we went through all of them, but all these case studies, you can see, we just show you every single thing we're doing day 1, day 2, how we're setting this up, results after day 7, keep coming down here. This one here, look, day 14, results and first commissions. Day 16, we started appearing on Google. So that's some of the case studies and the workshops that we have got covered inside of here. And then we go ahead and do other things. So for example, like down here, PLR and reseller licensed products. I will go ahead and buy some products, the PLR products, if they're any good. And then what I do is, once I've bought them, I will put them in here for you. So you can go ahead, you can give them away for free. You can sell them, you can use them to build your email lists. We've got ecom products in here. We have got affiliate marketing in here. So we've got a high ticket course in here. We've also got video marketing. And we've got a few other different things in here. And then in any of these different categories that you go into, you will get resources, you will get workbooks, and in some examples, like the printable section. So for our members who are selling printables over on Etsy, we cover everything. So setting it up, customizing your shop, and the other bits using AI. We then also go ahead and link out to resources. But again, I will buy things. So like down here where it says edit and sell, I will go ahead and buy different PLR products, and I will put them in here for our members so they can go ahead and download these and start selling them on Etsy or on their own website and different platforms. So yeah, look, this is a brief overview of some of the stuff that's inside of the university. It's always being updated. We're continuously adding in new content for our members. We're about to start a new case study probably in the next week or so. I think we're just trying to finalize this. I'm also trying to get someone over from TikTok to come in and do a workshop for us. And look, we've just got lots of plans for this. And unlike many other courses that especially when it comes to courses for making money online and things like that, this will not just disappear. Okay, it's been around for a year now, and my aim with the university is for this to be the #1 training platform for anybody to learn about earning online using their knowledge, skills, experience, and hobbies. So yeah, if that sounds good, you can go ahead, you can check it out down below. There's lots of feedback on the sales page. You'll see testimonials from real members inside of here, and yeah, everything. So look, if you do have any questions, comment down below. So yeah, take care, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside.